and find out the difference between the Yamaha TP70 single zone DTX drum pad versus the Yamaha TP70S 3-zone DTX drum pad. Now let's have a closer look. Each pad is about 9 inches across in diameter, and then the inner zone is 7.5 inches in diameter. I'll be demonstrating with my Firth drumsticks. These DTX drum pads have the look and feel like the rubber practice drum pads. This 3-zone DTX drum pad is within this area here, 7.5 inches, and also on the rim, snare, cross stick, and rim shots. On this 3-zone DTX drum pad, you can pre-program the different sounds in 3 different locations: here, here, and here. The single zone DTX drum pad is within this zone right here, within the 7.5 inches. In this single zone DTX drum pad, you could actually program a single sound in the center within the 7.5 inches. Versus the 3-zone, this does not have any sound and you can't program any sound on the edges. Here I'll be demonstrating on how it's adjustable using the included adjustable wing bolt. Note, both pads include the stereo audio cable and the wing bolt. What's also is really nice is that they both can be played as either a tom or a snare. Next, I'll be demonstrating on how you uninstall and reinstall on both TP70 and TP70S. First, we're starting with the TP70 DTX drum pad. Then, reinstall in reverse order. Last is showing the disassembly of the TP70S DTX drum pad. Install by doing the process in reverse order. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.